Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Soul brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your replacement 7440 bulb. Before starting, make sure your Kia Soul is turned off and the parking brake is engaged. This simple repair is straightforward and should only take about 15 to 20 minutes of your time, even if you're new to car maintenance. Let's get started. Now, open your Kia Soul's rear hatch to expose the two screws that secure the tail light assembly. These are typically visible once the hatch is open. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It's held in place by a couple of alignment pins, so a firm but steady pull is all that's needed to release it. With the tail light assembly free, you'll see several bulb sockets. Identify the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the middle one. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Now, simply pull the old 7440 bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Take your new 7440 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's fully seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb if possible. Before reassembling everything, it's crucial to test your new brake light. Have a friend or family member press the brake pedal while you observe the new bulb to ensure it illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it back into the tail light assembly. Align the assembly with the pins and push it back into place, then reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals to keep your ride smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.